Today we're going to learn how to access Spotify on your 911. To use the Spotify feature in a 911, you'll need to have the Spotify Premium level account. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're looking for is media, that's the red note. And we're going to look for the Spotify icon. Now you can see it's right here. If it does not show here, you can select these three dots and then it will be part of this list. And so I'm going to select it from this list. It's going to prepare the registration. Now we're going to take our mobile device and we're going to open the camera app and hold it right up to the QR code. Select the little yellow link there and log into Spotify. Now we'll log in on our mobile device here if you weren't logged in already. And here you can see the account link is successful. So here you can see on the Spotify tab, it's going to have many of the things that's included on the Spotify app. Let's select home here. And some of the things that you'll see are very similar to what you would see on the main screen of your app there. You've got recently played. You can look for things on Spotify. You can check out your library. It'll pull in your playlist, which is really quite cool. Also some albums, if there are some albums that you've saved or artists. And then, of course, podcasts and shows, if you listen to any podcasts there on Spotify. You now can enjoy Spotify in your new 911.